G'day, how's it going? So today we're going to be diving into the world of film emulation software. So Dehancer, these guys here, Dehancer Film Emulation, thanks for the t-shirt, is soon releasing its online version of film emulations. So it's online now. So you don't need any to download any software or plugins for Lightroom or anything like that. So currently there's around 48 film stocks that you can choose from on this online version, which they've given me to test out. I've had a go at it. I'll show you later. Along with the 48 film stock presets that come with it, you can also edit it online as well. There's tools in that you can get in there. Straight up, if you want 10% off, I've got a code called Rob Ditto. I'll put it here, and you can get 10% off anything, or even their other stuff that they've got. So the film one for DaVinci Resolve and the photo ones. Plus, I'm hoping that the code will work on this one as well when it comes out. I think it's coming out in March, a couple of days. So okay, so with the new release and hype over the Fujifilm X100 that just came out, film simulations are more popular than ever, really. Now, the X100 obviously is known for its beautiful Fuji film-like simulations and, retro design, but it comes with a bloody hefty price, if you ask me. That's if you can get one, for crying out loud. So if you're looking for a more affordable, way to scratch that, retro itch for film photography, this new online software version of Dehancer might be the answer. So, and you can match it up with a cool, retro camera like the EM10 Mark II, which is way more affordable. Obviously, I mean, you can pick this up for like $400, and it's better in my opinion because you interchangeable lenses and it's got all the dials and everything. So, I mean, for that matter, any camera really. You just need any camera really, because this is all online software. So, similar results, if not better, because it actually has more than Fuji film simulations. It's got Kodak and everything else. Well, 48 of them so far. I think they're going to get more as they go along. So, yeah. I did another video also about this as well, saying why the hell do you want a Fuji and pay $3,000 or $2,000, whatever the hell it is, when you get this cool looking little retro thing with a 17mm on there, 1.8, which is a 35mm, and if you don't like that, take it off, put on whatever the hell you want. Now I've never owned a Fuji X100V or S second, T, third, F, fourth, V, fifth. I've never owned stupid names, but I've never owned one, so I wouldn't know. So there's a lot of Fuji guys out there probably now just going, shut the hell up, Rob. You don't know what the hell you're talking about. Now, fair enough, because they look like pretty cool rangefinders. Now, if you don't know what the hell Dehancer is, a Dehancer is like a software plugin that applies film emulations to your digital photos and videos as well. It simulates different film stocks, developing processes, and even like grain types. It gives you like a footage, like a classic cinematic look. Exactly what those film recipes do. So cost effective, it's significantly cheaper than buying an in-body solution like the X100, and you can even get a free trial actually, test it out before you even buy it, so that's pretty cool. Versatility, Dehancer works with any camera, so it's not just Fuji, like in body, so you can use any camera you want, whatever, point and shoot, your phone, even your phone, like what I'm filming this on. So and regardless of your existing gear, feed it through their little algorithm and bang, you've got a retro photo. Customization's another one. Dehancer offers a wide range of film stocks. It's got a heap of different grains and other adjustments, that gives you more control over the final look. With this, you can tweak it even more than the presets. And say you got a Fuji Velvia or something, you can tweak it even more. You don't have to stick with the recipe that comes with it. You can sort of create your own. So you go to online.dehancer.com and you can upload files here. It only takes JPEG, TIFFs, HEICs, and WebPs. So I'm just going to upload a JPEG here, and then what you get is a heap of emulations. So you've got, for instance, Agfa Chrome, Adox Color, Agfa Astrum, Fuji Eterna Vivid. There's so many of them. Well, there's 48 of them. You got Ilford HP5, Kodak Eastman Double. You got black and white and color. Kodak Vision 3, Kodak Ultra Max 400. All the most popular ones. Kodak Portra Plus Endura. If you want to choose something else, you go back to presets. Fuji Eterna Vivid. That's a nice one. And you can see like it's got the grain and everything in it. Now the next bit you can do is up here, you can pick the light. So for instance, it's got a heap of different light setting, you know, from brightness to darkness. Then you've got another button here called color. So you can even tweak the color that they've given you. And then there's also effects. So you've got here effects, you can increase the grain. And so you got to wait because it's online, remember, so it's doing it on their servers. You got bloom, and then you got halation. You got a little original button, press that and it goes back to the way it was. So that's the original JPEG, and then that's the Fuji Eterna Vivid 500 exposure 2013 plus 3513. I have no idea what that means, but it sounds good. You can fit and fill, so that fits the whole screen. And there's also got an adjustment thing here. You've got exposure, contrast, temperature, make it a bit cooler. So yeah, you can knock yourself out, do what you want. It's got crop here, which is coming soon. So like I said, this is in beta mode. And then once you've done, you can export it. And you can download it as a Dehancer preset. You can download the photo directly. You'll get a full resolution. Or you can even use other plugins as here, like Photoshop, Lightroom. And you can even put it on the app, because this thing has an app as well. The way that it looks like, it's designed for touch screens. So it'll be good like on an iPad or a tablet. Kodak Ektar 25. Exposure 1996. Kodak Endura paper. Well, there you go. So maybe we'll lighten that up a bit. Lomachrome purple. Huh. That looks pretty weird. Ilford HP5. Actually, I use this. Darken it. There you go. So that's Dehancer online. Gary, have I sold them yet? Did I sell it good enough? I'm not the greatest salesman. So now it looks like it's still in beta stage for the next few days. I think it comes out in March. Hey, Jerry, it's going to come out in a few days. Are you going to buy it? Are you going to test it out? No, Jerry. Yeah, of course, the millennials, they're going to love the Fuji 100, you know. But for my Generation X ass, I had a go of it. I went to the Fuji store in Sydney, and I had a go of all the Fuji cameras, including the X100, all of them really, all the retro ones anyway, with the dials and that. And I'm telling you what, I wasn't impressed. Now, the main reason really was because of my dying eyes. You know, it'd be like this. I'd be filming like this, and then I'd have to bloody get my glasses on to change the bloody aperture, and then take them off, and then film, and then take them on and change the aperture and stuff that. I don't want to look at the bloody dials. I want to feel it. I want to look through the viewfinder and just change the aperture and the shutter speed like on my Olympus camera. So now that might be just an old man thing, I guess. But like it's the 21st century, man. I don't need to change the bloody dials. I know that gives you that whole film kind of look, experience. But this has that film sexy retro look to it anyway. So it's got the best of both worlds. It's got all the automatic and everything that goes with it, but it looks like a retro camera. And when you're out and about, it does feel like you've got a retro camera. So now I think the Fuji cameras anyway, they have the override as well. So really, you're wasting all those buttons and those retro buttons. They could be used for like function buttons. So I don't know. Maybe I'll buy one anyway, just for the hell of it. But like I said, when I was there, I was like, what bloody aperture am I on? Oh, shit, I need my glasses. Too late, you missed a decisive moment. Hey, Jerry, the decisive moment's gone because you're too busy trying to figure out what bloody aperture you're in. Anyway, affiliate links in the description. If you want to buy it, get 10% off. Rob Dido, ROBDIDO, and that's Dehancer online. So, and you can use that code for all their other stuff that they've got. Yeah. Hey, Jerry. Anyway, thanks for that. I'll catch you on the next one.